Question 14. Find the quadratic equation whose roots are 1 over 2 and minus 1 over 3. How do you solve that kind of question? Now, the very simplest thing to do is x minus the first root multiplied by x minus the second root. Equate that to 0. So where alpha and beta are the roots, in this case the roots are given as half and minus 1 over 3. So we are going to put them here and solve. So let's begin. X minus the first root is half, so I put my half here. X minus, the student who might just make mistake and write here 1 over 3. That would be wrong. No, the root is 1 minus 1 over 3. That is the root. So you don't make the mistake of assuming that minus 1 is this one. No, this one is already here. Is equal to 0. So let's solve. So this is x minus 1 over 2. I'm coming here. That's why I'm not solving anything here. Minus times minus is plus. So we have 1 over 3 there. Is equal to 0. The next thing is to expand this out. So x times x is x squared. X times 1 over 3 is x over 3. The sign plus times plus makes this plus, right? We're done with that. This half times x is x over 2. The sign minus times plus is minus. I'm done with that. Half times 1 over 3 is 1 over 6. That is 1 times 1 over 2 times 3, right? The sign is minus times plus, and that is minus. Is equal to 0. Now we are almost done. But you know, this is x squared. I can't add x squared to ordinary x, but I can add x or subtract x's. This is x, this x. They can operate. This has no business with this. They're unlike terms. Just like this cannot be added to this, they're unlike terms. So let's go ahead and add this, people. Let's find the LCM. That's the only way to add fractions, by making them have a common denominator. LCM is 6. 3 into 6, 2. 2 times x is 2x. 2 into 6 is 3. 3 times x is 3x. Our minus 1 over 6 is here, and x squared is here. And that becomes what? Still 0. So let's solve this part. This is x squared plus 2x minus 3x is what? Minus x. That is what it is. So let's just do that. Minus 1 over 6. X squared minus plus times minus is minus. Please take time and handle your math step by step so that you don't make mistake. That's how this becomes minus. Okay, it's no longer plus but minus now. Now the next thing is I have to make it linear, so I have to clear these fractions. I need to remove these fractions from here, and one way to do that is to multiply both sides. Look at this. This is an equation. It has the left hand side and the right hand side. Multiply both sides by 6. The 6 will clear this 6 and will clear this 6 out without changing our equation. Notice it is an equation, so we multiply both sides by 6. So this becomes 6x minus, okay, let's just do it. Let's do it. X over 6. 6 times 1 over 6 is equal to 0 times 6. So this is 6x squared minus, this will cancel this, we are left with minus x. This will cancel this, we are left with minus 1. 0 times 6 is 0. There is nothing else we can do, so that is our answer, and that is option D. There's another way of solving this math. So I can use the formula that says x squared minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha times beta is equal to 0. What that means is x squared minus into bracket sum of roots close bracket x plus product of roots is equal to 0. So all I need to do is add my roots, multiply my roots, and fix them in this equation. That's that simple. So let's go ahead. What's our root? Let's find alpha plus beta, our root, which is 1 over 2 plus the second root is what? Minus 1 over 3. Don't make the mistake. So that becomes what? 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. LCM 6. This is what? 3, and this is what? 2. So the answer becomes 1 over 6. 3 minus 2, 1 over 6. Now let's look at product of roots. Alpha times beta. That will be 1 over 2 times minus 1 over 3. Right? 1 times 1 is 1. Plus times minus is minus. 2 times 3 is 6. So we have our sum of roots as 1 over 6 and product of root as minus 1 over 6. We are going to put it back here. So we have x squared minus sum of roots comes here 1 over 6 x plus product of roots minus 1 over 6 is equal to 0. So this is 1 over 6, bringing it out of the bracket. Minus plus times minus is minus. 1 over 6 is equal to 0. Multiplying through by 6, the step we had in the other method. So that becomes 6x squared minus, if 6 multiplies this, as we saw, this is going to be x minus, if 6 multiplies this is going to be 1, is equal to 0. The same thing. I hope you understand.